you don't even have to bevel it. If you're good at working with fondant, you can get fondant on fairly sharp corners without too many problems. But it's a little bit trickier than if you've got rounded edges, so I'm going to do this for the sake of making this cake easy. So you're just cutting at an angle, about a 45-degree angle, and just taking off that sharp edge. Now it's time to ice it. And this is going to serve as both your crumb and regular coat. So it's going to be a little bit thicker than just a crumb coat, but still thinner than a full coat of icing would be, because we're going to be putting fondant on over this too. So we just want to smooth it out, because if you don't have a smooth surface, you certainly won't get smooth fondant. And it's okay if you get a little bit of crumbs in it. Nobody's going to see it. It's going to be covered. Remember to use thin icing anytime that you're icing a cake. If you're using stiff icing, or sometimes even medium, you're more likely to tear up your cake during this process. All right, so now that that's been iced, we're gonna set this aside and let it crust.